Hello, YouTube world. This is Matt Tucker coming at you from Greenbrier, Tennessee, the home of the Mother Tucker's Dairy Goat Farm. Figured I'm later and crapola on my spring update on my garden here. Okay, I'm going to give you a tour. Now, hold on to your hat. I'm going to spin you around now. There we go. Okay, right here we come on. This is plot number 1. We got a row of okras and grass. Don't talk about the grass. Right there's a row of beans. Okay, we got cucumbers. Say pickling. 2 half rows, I guess. 2 10-foot rows of pickling cucumbers. Some squash. It don't look good. I just transplanted her. Just going through a little shock. Then I got a 10-foot section of slicing cucumbers. And I got some patty pan squash there, 3 big plants. And that other 10-foot there's another pickling cucumber. Okay, and here's a half a row of okra. And I got that other row if it comes up through the grass. And another little 10-foot section down there of zinnias. Okay, I'm gonna do the spin now. Hold on. Oh, here we go. Plot number 3 is watermelons. I got Singarea. I've got orange sweet crisp, orange crisp sweet or something. Some other, I don't even know. And that first row there, that's the difference. See them right there's watermelon vines. And them are cantaloupe vines right there. I got sort of like a broader leaf. And so that's what it's cantaloupe. And them other 3 watermelons I mentioned. This is a half a row of one kind of winter squash, like butternut or spaghetti, but it's neither one of them. I got one, there's 2 different kinds. You sort of notice that halfway out that the plant changes. That's one kind of winter squash, and this is some other kind of winter squash. And then here would be plot number 4, and that's my slicing and canning tomatoes. I think this first row right here might be Brickyard, and then that's a row of dwarf sunflowers and grass. Don't look at the grass. Right here is a row of red snapper, and this is a row of halcinators, and that's a row of zinnias. So I got 3 rows of slicing tomatoes. Okay, now we go down here to old plot number 5. And that's my sweet corn, sweet mamma jamma. We'll have to check it for it, but I don't think it's quite there yet, but we always got it for the day. Let's see here. Is it? It's not quite titty high, but it's getting there, brother. But it's looking good and green and healthy. Look there. Same amount of grow every year. 8 rows, 30 foot long. And he'll fill my freezer up and we'll have plenty fresh to eat. Yes, sir. Okay, and then here we'll go up here to plot number 6, the last and final plot. Oh, did I tell you in plot 2 is it going to be all sunflowers? They just hadn't come up yet. But here we go, plot number 6. Okay, I got 2 different kind of indeterminate tomatoes this year. The Sun Gold, which I always grow, is them little orange cherry tomatoes. I love them. And then these wider leaved ones right here are one I've never tried before. It's just like an old heirloom tomato, and bump ugly ones and stuff. It's supposed to taste real good. It's called Mortgage Lifter. And that's the only 2 varieties I growed. And I've got 2 rows, so I don't know how many plants each that is, but several. And then I put in 3 rows of peppers, like I'll ever eat that many peppers. And we got the usual combination of peppers. We got the jalapeno. The bells are green, orange, red, and yellow. And we got poblero. Never grown them before. Poblero onions or peppers. We got our heatless habaneros, and we got jalapenos. But more peppers than any one man can eat in his whole life. But there it is. That's 2024. What is it? June the 22nd. I know I'm way behind. But and I added a raised bed garden here since you've seen it last. But that's it. Okay, I'm gonna spin you around. Hold on to the hat. There we go. Well, thanks you for coming by. And don't let your meatloaf, and adios, mi amigos.